Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the MTN semi-finals. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by a fan. My where you from?
My name is Tebo from Kaizer, no friend.
Hey, Msepana, unanilenga game ya today, Msepana.
No, my brother, I have 350 machines.
Mention them.
This message is
tell them
straight to the Kaizer Chiefs management.
Tell them.
And Mr. Kaizer,
yes, sir.
3 things you need to fix.
Yes, sir.
Department of goalkeeping.
Okay.
Department of fitness.
Okay.
Department of coaching.
Okay.
I want to start with Department of Fitness.
Yes, sir.
We don't have a fitness trainer. We have a bodybuilder.
Hey.
Maluleka is not a fitness trainer.
He's a bodybuilder.
My reason is Kaizer Chiefs players, they don't have energy going forward.
Yeah. Down the
The second one, Department of Goalkeeping. Uti Bedi. These goalkeepers always, like today, it's a third game. He doesn't do one mistake. That one is not a mistake. It's a stupid mistake.
It's a stupid mistake.
It's a stupid mistake. I remember Medindorp once said, there is a mistake. There is a stupid mistake. The third one, Mr. Kaizer,
tell him.
Take a sacrifice.
Yes, sir.
Fire Ntseki.
Yes, sir.
And Zwan and John Shaban.
Yes, sir.
Now is the time. The time is gone, Mr. Mtahu. Kaizer Chiefs is going down. So, Mr. Mtahu, sacrifice just once. Because Chiefs players, they don't respect Ntseki. They are just playing because they are getting paid. They don't show character. They are just face. Today, Salas was playing like, is the party's match?
Against
it's killing us. Already since they know, if we go 1-1, it's a penalty. 2-2, at least you are winning. But they didn't show any character. He get as a sub. But 15 minutes, he was tired. I asked myself, how can 15 minutes tired? He was tired. So meaning 3 department, Chiefs must fire.
How do you look at you?
Fitness trainer.
Yes, sir. 2
department of coaching. 3 coaching.
Thank you very much.
Fire those people. We still have league to play. We still have net bank. We still have blood label. Now is the time. Go and fetch Unabi and fire technical chief. All the technical chiefs of the Chiefs. Chiefs players, they don't have character.
Now we
are crying, my brother. Chiefs is a big team. Chiefs is a big team, bro. Chiefs is a big team. We got to second like this, bro. Only 2 players. Only 2 players that just show character. Only breathe. You can see that guy. He's doing his best, but he's alone.